There's not enough precedents being set. We need to set more. Our background in our firm is on the disability side, on plaintiffs suing for disability coverage, private policies, or policies given by employers. So we've seen these trends happen before. For example, years ago, people didn't believe that multiple sclerosis existed. You know, people would come in and say, I have, you know, numbing, I'm falling down, and people would slap on that diagnosis when they didn't know what else to say. And then it took years for, you know, doctors to understand and to have criteria for how to diagnose this. We saw it more recently with fibromyalgia. It used to be a diagnosis that people had and people would think, you know, it was all in their head. Now the American Rheumatology Association has come up with, you know, how you diagnose fibromyalgia, and it's a recognized disease. Eating disorder is at that stage now where people don't understand it, and a lot of insurance companies don't get it. I deposed a doctor who reviewed an eating disorder case and denied the claim for residential treatment, and actually said to me that it is not a diagnosis, even though it's in the DSM-4. That, you know, the real diagnosis should be OCD, anxiety disorder, major depressive disorder. So I know there are people out there who still don't accept it. And the only way to change that is for people to keep pushing and for cases to come out there so that the higher ups and the insurance companies have to accept it, and that they start trickling it down to their people, you know, the lower people who have to accept it.